How to allow or deny device admin apps access in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three dots more option, click on special access, click on device admin apps. Now in device admin apps, select app that you want to allow or deny. After selecting app, now turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on active. After click on active, allow device admin from your phone. And if you want to deny, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, click on deactivate. After click on deactivate, deny device admin app access from your phone. This is how you can allow or deny admin app access in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.